Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving deep into the world of AI hardware.
Specifically, we'll be exploring Cerebras Systems.
Yeah, this startup that's making waves.
And they're taking on a giant, no less.
Oh yeah, we're talking about Nvidia here.
The king of the hill when it comes to AI chips.
And we've got some research,
A
articles,
whole bunch of stuff to dig through.
our mission to figure out if Cerebras really stands a chance of shaking up the industry.
It's a David and Goliath situation for sure.
So to start things off, let's talk about Cerebras' secret weapon, the wafer-scale engine.
Now, this is where things get interesting.
You see, this chip is huge.
Like, seriously massive.
The size of a dinner plate, literally.
Which is unheard of in the chip world.
I mean, just the sheer scale of it makes you wonder.
What are they trying to do with all that silicon?
Exactly.
So the thing is, it's not just about size.
What's the big deal then?
It's how the entire chip is designed. It's dedicated entirely to AI processing.
I see.
Think of traditional chips.
Okay.
They're like a city with different neighborhoods.
Like your CPU over here, your memory over there.
Right, and data has to travel between them, causing traffic jams.
Like rush hour in silicon form.
Exactly, but the wafer-scale engine is different.
How so?
It's like a city where everything's within walking distance.
No more traffic jams.
So data can move around incredibly fast.
Interesting. So in the real world, what advantages does this give?
Well, one major benefit is speed.
Okay.
And they've demonstrated this with LeChat.
LeChat.
Yeah, it's an AI assistant they developed with Mistral.
What's so special about it?
It can respond to you at a mind-blowing speed,
How fast are we talking?
1,000 words per second.
Whoa, that's faster than most people speak.
And it's not just generating random words.
It's actually understanding and responding.
Yes, processing your input and formulating a coherent answer.
At that speed. That's impressive.
It is, and it opens up a whole world of possibilities.
So let's break it down for our listeners.
Sure.
How does this incredible speed actually change things for, say, someone translating a document?
Imagine real-time translation that's so seamless.
So fast that it's practically instantaneous.
Exactly, like you're talking to someone directly in their language.
Without any delays or awkward pauses.
Right, so it could revolutionize things like business negotiations.
Global communication would be transformed.
Even casual conversations would be different.
No more language barriers.
And it's not just translation. Think about data analysis.
Okay, how does it apply there?
You could analyze massive data sets in the blink of an eye.
Spotting trends, patterns, anomalies.
All happening in real time.
That's powerful stuff.
It is.
So LeChat is just one example?
Right.
What else are they doing with this technology?
They've integrated DeepSeek's R170B reasoning model onto the wafer-scale engine.
DeepSeek. Reasoning model.
Yeah, it's a model designed for complex AI tasks.
And with the wafer-scale engine, what are they achieving?
Processing speeds of 1,600 tokens per second.
Tokens. Can you explain what those are?
Sure. Think of tokens as the building blocks of language.
Like words, punctuation marks, and so on.
Exactly. The faster you process tokens, the faster you understand and generate language.
Okay, so 1,600 tokens per second. How does that compare to traditional systems?
It's 57 times faster than typical GPU setups.
Wow, that's a massive leap forward.
It is, and it's particularly important for tasks like deep reasoning.
Tasks that require complex language understanding.
Precisely. It's not just about speed, it's about enabling AI to tackle more nuanced tasks.
So they're pushing the boundaries of what AI can do.
Yes, and to fuel this ambitious endeavor, they've made a bold move.
You're talking about their recent IPO filing.
That's right.
It's a big gamble.
But it could pay off massively.
How so?
Well, an IPO could give them the resources to scale up production,
Build more of these wafer-scale engines.
attract top talent in the field,
The best engineers, researchers.
maybe even acquire other companies to bolster their offerings.
So it's like they're gearing up for a major fight.
It is a fight against a giant.
Nvidia.
Exactly.
So let's recap.
Sure.
We've got this ambitious startup, a revolutionary chip,
Incredible speed advantages.
and now potentially a huge influx of cash.
They're certainly making a lot of noise.
But the question remains.
Can they really take on Nvidia?
It's a David and Goliath battle for sure.
And the outcome is anyone's guess.
We've covered a lot of ground today, from the technology to the IPO.
And the implications of this AI chip race.
So for those of you listening, here's something to ponder.
Cerebras is pushing AI to think faster.
But what does it mean for us?
What are the consequences of AI that can process information at such incredible speeds?
Does it shift the balance of power between humans and machines?
These are questions we'll need to grapple with as this technology evolves.
It's a fascinating and potentially transformative time for AI.
And we've only just begun to explore the possibilities.
Thanks for joining us on this deep dive.
Until next time.